Unlocking the joy. Understanding over the moon. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that paints a vivid picture of happiness and elation. To be over the moon. Stick around to discover its origins, meanings, and how you can use it to express your joy in the most picturesque way possible. To be over the moon is a delightful expression used to describe a state of extreme happiness or joy. Imagine being so happy that you feel as if you could leap over the moon itself. This phrase is often used to convey excitement or satisfaction that goes beyond the ordinary, touching the realms of the extraordinary. The phrase, over the moon, has a whimsical origin, believed to be inspired by the nursery rhyme, Hey Diddle Diddle, where the cow jumps over the moon. Although the exact origins are a bit murky, its use in literature and common speech has painted it as a metaphor for achieving the impossible or experiencing unbridled joy. Incorporating over the moon into your everyday language can add a layer of vivid imagery to your expressions of happiness. Here are a few examples to get you started. I was over the moon when I found out I passed my exams with flying colors. She was over the moon about her new job offer in Paris. They were over the moon to see their family after years of being apart. Notice how each example conveys a significant level of joy and excitement, perfectly suited for moments that are truly special. While over the moon is a unique expression, there are other phrases in English that also convey extreme happiness or excitement. Phrases like, on cloud nine, in seventh heaven, and walking on air are all wonderful alternatives that capture similar feelings of elation. Understanding and using expressions like, over the moon, can enrich your English language skills and help you express your emotions in a more colorful and vivid way. We hope this video has lifted your spirits and perhaps even made you feel a bit over the moon with new knowledge. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating phrases with you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content on the English language. Happy learning!